Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wear a school uniform tie. Getting your tie just right is a simple skill that makes a big difference to your overall look. First, drape the tie around your neck. Make sure the wide end is on your dominant side. The wide end should hang about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Now, cross the wide end over the narrow end, creating an X shape right at your collar. Now that you have your X shape, let's form the knot. Take the wide end and bring it up through the neck loop from underneath. This creates the first part of your knot. Next, pull the wide end down through the loop you just created on the front. This action starts to define the knot's shape. Gently pull the wide end downwards to begin tightening the knot, but don't make it too tight yet. With the knot formed, it's time for the final adjustments to achieve that perfect, professional look. Hold the narrow end of the tie firmly and slide the knot up towards your collar. Make sure the knot is snug and centered, resting just below your Adam's apple. A well-tied tie should have its tip reaching your belt buckle or waistband. This ensures a neat and appropriate length for your uniform. To maintain a consistently sharp appearance, here are a few extra tips. Always choose a fresh, unwrinkled tie. A crisp tie elevates your entire uniform. Practice tying your tie a few times to build speed and precision, especially on busy mornings. Finally, consider using a tie clip or bar. This small accessory keeps your tie neatly in place throughout the day, preventing it from swinging or getting in the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.